Hi, my name is Bailey Gilreath Brown, and I'm the Adult Services Librarian for the Laytown County Library District. So today I'm here to bring you the very last of our pickup projects. Those have been craft projects to go for adults. So this is the very last one of our summer reading program. I hope you've really enjoyed doing these, and I hope you've enjoyed the adult portion of our summer reading program. Be sure to submit your prize entries by July 31st in order to be entered to win some really cool prizes for adults. And I hope you'll join us during the last week of July as we do a digital book discussion for our Neighborhood Reads program. So we'll be doing the adult title Little Fires Everywhere by Celeste Ng. We'll be discussing that all week long in a Facebook event over on our Facebook page. And you can also potentially win a door prize there too. So today we're going to make beeswax candles. So I'm going to show you how to roll those using sheets of beeswax and wicks, especially made for those, to make something that looks a bit like this. So I hope you'll enjoy making this, and thank you. Bye!